Say hello.
Hi everybody, I'm feeling great. Coming home.
Yeah, Mom's got Scotty today.
Yeah.
We brought Scotty in, and Scotty's a little bit unsure. You want to send your love to everyone, Mom?
Yeah. My love to all you all, and hope to see you all soon again. Who's there?
It's a video. Yeah, it's a
yeah.
video. Yeah.
Okay.
So, okay. This is Mom's room. Make everyone dizzy with. I'll show a close up of Debbie's painting that everybody loves here. It's the painting that Debbie did. I don't know how clear it is. There we go. Hey Scotty. So bye bye.